Ner malakal yam biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Laraba link jen gwa seme larami jadid mugor kon liang de gwa kade kon liang karikin kon tuokre which ke great upper state to kon ke good news ke information mugwa ler mugwa mugor liang ka kwi jeshen bor Nuer y army man shukur sheter ka tat kene jang ray which ka malakal duno ngoda kan kanishwa malakal bi ko shubko gwasen be shan madan le roda ken yam chana jelling bana update bana jelling manana talk ray which ka great upper state you know ken yam der aner malgana del konon gor ka roina gwata me mi jiram jidit kan war online TV channel gor jen en go jen der subscribe ka der notification be aler je twain ko mi take mi shibrech de chwamala shubekiji kapet neme dara mo gwalong ko de yena gor kenyam kan konore rajame la breaking news me baye latma dan le rodo gwata me no take ler mo gor no bakwendia ramkel mi gwan ngoni ram mo len ngoni ka wujen chalka moi la which sholo ki we tat ki we shuluk no shega me bejenong ya gwadum gor jeno be nyoge shega me jen shega danan la ngot la kala de kiete re wiki juba jen she men dana jeto ka shuluk ke ka shuluk community ka great upper state no che je kweth jen men chiro lat ka panyikang korun jeto ka panyikang gwadan tie ka malakal panyikang by the way tie ka malakal along shega me okay shega economy jen kwar ka la quartet okay ka wije chala panyikang low makaranjen so te warga mi kan kulo gor ban ngai kenya mano ko kor pan worka ni ne chido jok ci kon me chala da tet chana jangach ta yeda ne roi ken ke je me kwet kan wari lat kan obne win war bne kaf bne nasr bne kaf okay ci kan la da long bne war wonak nak nasr kan ulang so right now it's return into something else kake chala jadlo ay kake long aye nywaga mandan en chalat gwada me no te turo de beje gwada beje kula ladi manan le roda kan kono ko muto ko en chiga payenen gwaza me jen kwar tat elo makar ke gwan ngoni shaga ka mandan sho lat ka panye kan kanti gwada tie ka malakal men biya ngai gwasa me ala nuari ke jejen boran tere ka pangak kani kontin cha witani cha ka kavaken okay cha witani cha ka kav bada kan kono ka detail ka na mem le rodama yalar man choda lar wale ni ka pangak po ngura kan kono ten te karen yal michi yagan wala kapan gag aren yal mo wajaga ji SSPDF ke kirma yadit ko bene benwede al kontila jejen bor ba ko limray wujin winami ka do dan de kan boka ja aren yal mo kana shup aren yal che micha wa wajen che open and winami ko kan ko de Uganda People Defense Force kan SSPDF de kan kulo boka ren yal ko chikan ngaje no wale cha wi wan cha kep ka ngade ka tet chirme ngayen na pan wi do kan yal tam teram de tin right kona ajen kulte ka abde dan banu ya gwadu me ngot kanu ten nyod ni manan choda lar ngo chire nyala mo Japan en wale re wi ka pan ga che yak ren yal mo ne ren yal jena me 5Y RSL ren yala me chikan nangalo we survey we jalat kamalakal we tin diala kon tin goda kon nuerten ko go lo lim ke we ka gwich ko do bdande kan civiliane de kan boka je ko ngai kon ala me chikan lat ka nas gor kon kan ladin winami batcha tulet ka kan tam right kona ke nela mo che yak dor nuari ka pan gak che manen yena mone jere nel danen ci yak no mone so mu biya ngaj manan le rode wo ci jang ci kare nel kan jakko bana ba ko lim ke bi kan nawgi gwalda ante tende kan helicopter ken de kan ko kula jak du no dor we jakaka ci kamen ngai kon ere nel mi shanen ci kana mo ci re nel dung en jios mi longena re nel kuma mu la we lim na ke ba fin ba jotor bukan ngaje no te civilian te gwad ni kere na te gwad especially jejen borte ni bukan gwad ke dial bukan ngai so that's what they been doing ajen la dana kana let so la jele kan yalwa ngai ndong to e dung NGOs but jejen buka bugi nyepin ke jitar panken so jere nyal mo ci kote na lok je chu pen en gon en gunemi so na me jenda de ling chala do sha ne tin kore de cha kep mu kon mon gwad me ka te cha weekend dial cha kep tam right kon wi di chop kon wan dio je ko do brana chalat Rebecca Joshua Kwashi jen national lawmaker la shiga dana pai konen gwadame bejenunge shiga me jen lade lawmaker gwan ngone tere which you know ka South Sudan you know men chalat gwasame chalat nena ko jen charge tich media to goal ka ta danen chi reke to ja la kan jikana kai ne ken but eventually he chicken yoko banyam ko ken ngaje no duore chetet you know cha weekend to kan dial cha ka kep Sheikh Michelle Rebecca Joshua Okwach you know Panikan County jen tigne kan kana malakal long kan north is Baliet County you know ka east ka Pariang County to the west ka Jonglei State ka Pangak ka Pigi County to South Sudan work Sudan to the north so ajen weje dan and take tingan weje mo kanid konitual ka tat wala men chitwok chane ken tungwan cha ka juj so chuma ngai kono no chi jejen bor chewe jejen bor jen ka panga ka chi jejen nan jen ka nasir kan wolang no ne mi jen mi chiloben ka jogden ka kujimi cha yo ngak tinan wanamo cha dor ken diala to cha ka kebetam right corner ami kan kulat gwasme kan ne ke report chi kan ngun kan ne tikin dang joko ke tilatet cha ka juj no cha ka juj ne to nyok wa chu pek den chu ne di chu ke kin dang diech no kan witen kon ya kula kep Panikan County ke nyilwa ke pakwa ke obai kan ne dial ti chane ken dial cha ju ke Sunday lapan chirebe ka chiraj mo cha jalat ajen chi Panikan County commissioner men tem wa jen te ka tonga ba cha ja ke bo you know ko tem chi dwal mu di te to ka chika ladno shine tu wan chika jen chi na ut ka kamni lo che teram to kwasmi so mo ko la ngai gwado me ne ti chi kondol ke very long time chumnen yana mes but tem she worka che beje mat ka do brana chalat ke jam ne chub ko kudang di ne ga nem ko ku dok bara kina dok tam che ku kina dang di shine to chika ne ti chi tichiro dian barai which lo chika bat kan dial gane dialo ka tin chika no kamne so biawol ngaje no ngum le ro mo gwa beje kwen gwa me ka tukin ligbaje kulin ka do brana kalat ke jam a lawmaker and politician from the Sholo community in Upper State has raised concern over ongoing fighting in Panikan County, a nearby village close to Malakal, the state capital. Panikan County border Malakal County to the northeast, Baliet County to the east, Pariang County to the west, Jonglei State, Fangak and Pigi County to the south, and Sudan to the north. Rebecca Joshua Okwach, a national lawmaker representing Panikan County in the Transitional Legislative Assembly, say that a Nuer Wyoming militia group from Jonglei State, a Nuer civilian force, had attacked Panikan with clashes reaching village near Malakal County. She said fighting broke out on Sunday in the village of Nyilwak, Pakwa, and Obai, north of Panikan County. By Monday, she said the attackers were nearing Uwachi village, just a few kilometers from Malakal. As you know very well, Uwachi is not far from Malakal. You can even walk there. She said this incident have caused fear, forcing many people to flee to the UN camp, while others are on the western bank of the river or in a swamp. Rebecca, a former national minister who held multiple government positions in Juba, also accused force from the SPLM-IO led by detained first Vice President Riek Machar of involvement in the attack. In March, SPLM-IO force and allied militia attacked Tonga, the headquarters of Panikan, which led to a split among the necessary unified forces there. She said as a result, the SPLM-IO captured Tonga. She said the assault forced many residents to flee to El Liri in Sudan, South Kordofan State. Initial report indicated that around 3,000 people were displaced, though the number later rose to 5,000 or more, she added. Village in northern Panikan County, including Nyilwak, Pakwa, and Obai, have also seen civilian displacement since Sunday, according to Rebecca. I spoke with our Panikan County Commissioner, who is currently in Tonga, and he briefed me on the situation of civilians and the ongoing fighting in the northern village. She said recently a boat carrying people fleeing the violence was attacked and robbed. The lawmaker said the Sholo community issued a statement today in Malakal condemning the attack by the Nuer Army from Jonglei State, warning that the violence seen in Nasser and Wulang counties could spread to Panyakang. I fear that if what is happening in Panyakang is not controlled, it will mirror the situation in Nasser, Rebecca said. It may not stop at Panyakang, it could reach Malakal, because if you reach Uwach, you are not far from Malakal. Rebecca urged SPLM force to withdraw from Tonga and call on the government and humanitarian agencies to assist affected families in Panyakang and those arriving in Malakal. SPLM official in Apnal could not be immediately be reached for comment. So we take a can tear and tama shirka mengai kone ne medan prayi chikan lat pana kan chikan wari kan ga jo chikan ulang kan cap chikan Nasser cap, but I now chi jon jeno chane ken dial content re wini ken dang wan ki die chaga jo ken dial teram te dago jeta makaka chigringa dia chigringa kem tet quicken no ken wam gane ke jang chig mengai kone so kor be chup ko Malakal ka kor gwazen be jana go de nyoy kel be nong lero dien be tamal babai.